You're watching KSG News Explainer. In this video, we are going to talk about India voting to reject Russia's demand for secret ballot. This is for GS Paper 2, International Relations. India voted to reject Russia's demand for a secret ballot in the UN General Assembly on a draft resolution to condemn Moscow's illegal annexation of 4 regions of Ukraine, with New Delhi favoring a public vote on the text along with over 100 other nations. Let's get into the details now. The 193-member UN General Assembly voted on a motion by Albania that action on the draft resolution that would condemn Russia's illegal so-called referendums and attempted illegal annexation of the Donetsk, Kherson, Luhansk and Zaporizhia regions of Ukraine be taken by a recorded vote. Russia had demanded that the resolution be voted upon by secret ballot. Moscow's demand for a secret ballot was rejected after 107 UN member states, including India, voted in favor of a recorded vote. Only 13 nations voted in favor of Russia's call for a secret ballot, while 39 abstained. Russia and China were among the countries that did not vote. After the motion to hold a recorded vote was adopted, Russia appealed against the ruling of the President of the General Assembly. A recorded vote on Russia's appeal was held, and India was among the 100 nations who voted against the challenge made by Moscow. Russia then sought reconsideration of the decision to adopt the motion submitted by Albania for a recorded vote. The General Assembly decided not to reconsider the motion after 104 nations, including India, voted against such a reconsideration, while 16 voted in favor and 34 abstained. India last month had abstained, while Russia vetoed a draft UN Security Council resolution tabled by the US and Albania to condemn Moscow's illegal referenda and declared the annexation of 4 Ukrainian territories as invalid. That's it for this explainer. Thank you so much for watching. To join KSG India courses and to crack the IELTS exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this explainer on ksgindia.com.